Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm John Munchmeyer. I'm the chair of the Jefferson Area Libertarians. We gather here to pay respect to our heritage. We are extremely fortunate to live in this country, a country founded by the blood of patriots, safeguarded through the years by the sacrifice of brave soldiers, a country based on the principles of individual liberty, personal responsibility, and limited government. A country where the power of the state is subservient to the rights of the individual. Throughout human history, people have lived, labored, and died under the authority of kings and despots, tyrannical regimes, and even democracies wherein the majority, 51%, subjugated the 49% minority. But America was different. The concept of rights, as embraced by our founding fathers, is truly revolutionary. As we read the Bill of Rights, listen closely to the way they wrote those words. Congress shall make no law. The right of the people to be secure in their persons shall not be violated. These are restrictions on government, not a list of the rights of the people. You see, rights do not come from government, a king, the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, or any piece of paper or works of man. They are inherent in every human being. We possess the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, and many others. And as long as you do not violate others' rights, you may live your life as you see fit without interference from government. The power of the state is subservient to the rights of the individual. This is the key that made this country different. It's what makes the United States of America special. So without further ado, let us read the Bill of Rights, starting with the little-known Preamble. And Mr. James Curtis will lead us in the reading.
Those of you who have copies, please join along. These first 10 amendments to the Constitution of the United States of America were ratified December 15, 1791. Preamble. Congress of the United States begun and held in the city of New York, Wednesday, 4th of March, 1789. The conventions made numbers of the states having at the time of their adopting the Constitution expressed a desire to prevent misconstruction or abuse of its powers that further declaratory and restrictive clauses should be added. And as extending the ground of public confidence in the government will best ensure the beneficent ends of its institution. Resolved by the Senate and House of Representatives of the United States of America and Congress assembled, two-thirds of the houses concurring, that the following articles be proposed to the legislatures of the several states as amendments to the Constitution. All or any of which articles, when ratified by 3/4 of the said legislatures, to be valid to all intents and purposes as part of the said Constitution. Articles in addition to and amendments of the Constitution of the United States of America, proposed by Congress, ratified by the legislatures of the several states, pursuant to the 5th article of the original Constitution. Amendment 1. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or of the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government to redress its grievances. Amendment 2. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Amendment 3. No soldier shall, in time of peace, be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in a manner to be prescribed by law. Amendment 4. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures cannot be violated. And no warrant shall issue but upon probable cause to go by order or affirmation, particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Amendment 5. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime, unless on a presented or claiming of grand jury at the door of public aid. Nor shall any person be subject to the same offense twice put in jeopardy his life or limb. Nor shall he be held in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, or be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. Amendment 6. In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury of the city, district where the crime shall have been committed, which district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with witnesses against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor, to have the assistance of counsel for his defense. Amendment 7. In suits of common law, where the value of controversy shall exceed $20, the right to trial by jury shall be preserved. No fact trial by jury can be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States according to the rules of common law. Amendment 8. Excessive bail shall not be required, or excessive fines imposed, or cruel and unusual punishments inflicted. Amendment 9. The declaration of the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to